Hello everyone, Teacher John here. How's everyone? I hope you are all staying safe and healthy at home. Now, for these lessons, we are going to learn how to make an organized spreadsheet activity using Microsoft Excel. Well, let's get started. For this week's activity, you are going to pretend to be our country's hero as a frontliner doctors battling COVID-19 by treating people who are infected by the coronavirus in a hospital. You and your four friends are going to need some equipments, or we call them kits. That means you are going to make a list of things you need to buy for you and each of your friends. Before we learn how to make a list of what you need to have, let's learn first about the maths operating symbols used in Microsoft Excel. The reason why we need to learn the 5 common maths operations is because, like I have mentioned before, Microsoft Excel helps us with numbers. It helps to do the maths for us instead of us doing the whole maths working ourselves. Therefore, this actually makes our work easier. The 5 common maths operations are equals, plus, minus, times, and divide. To type equals, just press on the equals key. To type plus, you need to press the shift key, then equal key altogether. To type minus, press on the minus key next to the equal key. For times or multiply, press on the shift key, then number 8 key together. For divide, press the question mark key. You notice about the times and divide, they do look different because computers only can read and recognize the times as the shape of a star and for divide as a slash sign shape. Next part of this video is about how to download Microsoft Excel from your phone and how to start making a worksheet. Like I have mentioned earlier in this video, you are going to make an organized list of the personal protective equipments or PPE kits you need to buy. This includes things you need, the prices, and the number of pieces you and your four friends need. Here is the PPE kits and their prices listed on your screen. Please try to keep up and learn how to use Microsoft Excel from your device. In case you forgot something, you can rewind this video back to where you need to play it again. So, let's enjoy and begin learning.